Hi guys, how you doing? It's Kevin here, back again in the unboxing. So today I have this Ryobi 4V drill driver. So I bought this on eBay, Australia. Cost me about $89. It's including the bag, the battery, the chargers, and also 18 bits. So let's unbox this tool. So this is the Ryobi bag with the small manual and information, and next will be this charger. It's quite compact charger, I will say. And also the 18 bits. Okay, the 18 bit has the holder as well, so it is quite handy and quite thoughtful. And next, the last one is the Ryobi itself. Ryobi drill 4V. And then I find this one is quite good, and I can't wait to use this. So next will be these small instructions. You'll find this about this, how to use it, and then some briefs, the products itself, and the product specifications at the end. Okay, so I just like playing this for about a good 5 minutes. So basically this drill driver can be turned into screwdriver as well. And you got a 2-speed, 1 and 2, and the next one is, this is the magic happens when you want to change this into screwdriver, or when this drill driver out of power, you can use this instead, or maybe for other purpose to make it easier to hold it. Yeah, and to put it back, just press this and then rotate to the clockwise. And this one is the handle. And you also can reverse and forward. And at the end is this jack for this charging. Just put it in and then plug it to the power. And this red light indicates that the battery is almost run out. And let's put this into the test. I don't do these drilling things. I just like test how fast or how powerful is this. I know it won't be that good, but at least this one is good enough to just assemble these furnitures or for this electronic stuff. Alright, so put this in. This one for reverse, to put it back. move forward. Yes, so this one is still at the first speed, first gear. On the second speed will be sounds a lot harsh, but yeah, it is what it is. Got it for a good price, $89. With this all the accessories included, 18 bits, charger, and the Ryobi itself. So apparently this battery, I don't think I can replace this. So once the battery is out, or maybe you lost the charger, then maybe it cannot be used. I don't know. So far I haven't seen anyone have a problem with this, but I hope this will last some time for me. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.